4/8/24, 2008 Toyota Sienna, bad wheel bearing. When you jack it up, the whole wheel goes clink, 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 clink. The symptoms are it sounds like a humming noise, and then now it sounds like a metal noise. And the owner also noticed that once in a while the SC stability control light come on. It's a yellow light. I think it's like stability control light. I forgot what the light is, but anyways, it comes on and off intermittently, and that's probably because this thing shakes. Right now you can see it wobbling, and so we had to take off two 17. That's my 17 millimeter there, and then a breaker cheater bar. And so before that, the 14 millimeter there to get the brake pads off, and then another 14 millimeter to hold right there. So when you unscrew this, it will make this thing spin around. And these are the floating pins. So I don't see that my brake pads have any problems, so I'm not going to re-grease this. But it'd be handy to have some high temperature brake grease ready if you're doing this. So my buddy's coming back from O'Reilly's for a $200 precision wheel hub complete assembly, and then we'll put it back. And then you're gonna have to come in here with an adjuster for the brakes. Probably right there. There's my finger, and so that dust cover, take it off. You can put a tool in there and probably turn a star wheel in there, so these brake for the emergency brake shoes will expand, so it'll brake when you're in a you want to turn on your emergency brakes. All right, that's that. And then don't miss, you need this other bolt to take this out. I don't know where. Oh, right here. This happens to be a A2/70. It goes through here from the other side, and it pushes here, and here it gets this rotor off. And that's that. Risk her out. And then get a bucket to put away the dust brakes, the dust